Somebody from Nigeria is called a Nigerian.
Okay.
Right? Somebody from the United States of America is called an American.
Yes, yes.
What do you call someone from Finland?
I don't know.
Of American? I don't know.
Infinity?
She said infinity.
A Finland. No, a Finland.
A phenite.
I don't know.
A Finlander? Look, I'm guessing.
Finland.
Finlandians. All right, I'm done guessing.
A Felonian?
I'm gonna go to the next one.
Hey, read the question again, because I didn't get it the
Someone
first
from
time.
Nigeria is called a Nigerian.
Okay.
What do you call someone that's from Finland?
Finland.
Finley? I don't know. Finley?
Finland. Bro.
I'm gonna hard though. I used to know it too.
Try to remember.
Finland guy.
I know you expected me to say Finlandian. But I'm not gonna say Finlandian.
Finlandian.
No, they some Finns or something. Finns.
Oh no, I think it's Finns.
They Finns.
I believe it's Finn. A Finn.
Finns.
Finish. I'm gonna give you that one.
Yeah, I got you don't finish.
Finn.
Finns are from Finland.
I believe that's correct. I support you in that answer.
What is the answer? I don't even know if I went in.
Finnish.
Finnish?
Yeah.
Oh, like British?
Yeah.
Finish?
Oh, look at you. Come on, Amina. See, that's why she's on the team.
She got it.
You know?
I'm impressed.
We call them Finnish. I promise. That's what we call them. We call them Finnish. Finnish, that's what we call them.
We call them finish.
Hello. Finnish.
It's something Finn, Chad. Paraffin. Super Finn. Yeah, he's Finnish. Or Finn. Did I get it? Finish. That's it. I said Asabi. Asabi. It's Finnish, right?
Finish. I don't know the answer, but it sounds good.
They sounded like they knew what it was, so
I'm just
finish.
I think that's right because I've been there. So I think it's just a little bit. Study abroad.
Finish. Finish. High five. All right. Finish.
I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I would want to be a Finlander or a Finlander. I don't know if I want to live in Finland for you to call me a Finnish, okay?
Oh, no. That's different.
That's different.
Wrong ones. Y'all got the wrong ones. We know shit. What? What?
You just banana pudding went to school.
We done traveled the world.
Yes.